Present is Additional Government Advocate, Learned Government Advocate, Chairman Bar Council Odisha, Officer of the Registry, Learned Vice President and Secretary of the Bar, learned senior members and learned members of the bar. With profound grief and deep sorrow, I am constrained to bring it to your Lordship's kind notice that two of our members, namely late BHABANI SHANKAR MISHRA advocate, late SASHIKANTA BEHERA advocate, left us for their heavenly abode on 24/6/2022 and 25/6/2022. Advocate BHABANI SHANKAR MISHRA, son of late Purnachandra MISHRA, was born on 9th April 1946. Presently, he was residing at Keunjhar Colony, Kanikachak, Tulspur, Cuttack. Advocate BHABANI SHANKAR MISHRA passed his high school certificate examination from Satyavadi High School, Puri, in the year 1963. He completed his graduation from Revensa College, Cuttack, in the year 1969. He obtained his law degree from MS Law College, Cuttack, in the year 1972. He enrolled himself as an advocate in the Odisha State Bar Council in the year 1974. His State Bar Council enrollment number was 20974. He was member of the High Court Bar Association in the year 75. He was joined as an associate of Honorable Justice Lingaraj Rath. He was practicing in mainly civil criminal writ petition in the High Court of Odisha. He breathed his last on 24/6/2022 at Bangalore in his daughter's residence due to suffering from cancer. His death has given irreparable loss to his entire family, friends, relatives, colleagues, well-wishers, and the locals at large. It is very difficult to fill up the void on the sad demise of late BHABANI SHANKAR MISHRA advocate. He is survived by his wife, Konakabala MISHRA, and 4 married daughters. My Lord, Advocate Sashikanta BEHERA was born on 5/6/85. He was the son of Ramachandra BEHERA and Manorama BEHERA, presently residing in Sector 9, CDA, Cuttack. He was successfully completed his matriculation from Revensa College, Collegiate School, Cuttack, in the year 2000. Thereafter, he prosecuted his college study and passed his Plus 2 Commerce examination from Revensa College, Cuttack, in the year 2002. And he joined Madhusudan Law College in 2003 and successfully completed 5 years of integrated BLLB honors in the year 2008. Thereafter, he enrolled himself in the State Bar Council Odisha in the year 2008, and he embarked his legal profession under the able guidance of one senior member of the bar, namely Sri Devaprasad Das. He had towering practice in various aspects of law, starting from trial courts to Honorable High Court. Mainly, he was well known for his skills, acumen in criminal cases, especially in vigilant matters. He was very hardworking, sincerity and dedication in legal profession, for which within a short time he had earned a good reputation and name. He was one of the most popular entrepreneur young advocate, loved by each and every member of the bar, and was also successful in winning the confidence of the bench. Due to his performance and devotion in the court, he conducted cases very smoothly. He was very much involved in socio-legal and cultural activities, for which his absence creates a great vacuum. He was very much popular, not only in the legal fraternity, but also many social circles, for which amiable every smiling nature. He breathed his last on 25/6/2022 in SC Medical College, Cuttack, after being admitted due to a road accident, leaving behind his parents, elder brother, and wife, Saudamini BEHERA. While joining in the morning and sharing the grief of the members of the bereaved families, well-wishers and friends, I, on behalf of the High Court Bar Association, pray the Almighty to give enough strength the grief-stricken members of the bereaved family to bear huge loss and rest their souls in peace. With these words, I take leave of my lords.
Chairman Odisha State Bar Council, the learned senior members of the bar, learned Assistant Solicitor General Government of India, learned members of the legal fraternity, members of the Registry of the Honorable Court, and friends. We are assembled here to express our heartfelt condolence for the sad demise of 2 of the members of the High Court Bar Association, late BHABANI SHANKAR MISHRA and late Sashikanta BEHERA. Advocate BHABANI SHANKAR MISHRA, son of late Purnachandra MISHRA, was born on 9th April 1946. Presently, he was residing at Keunjhar Colony, Kanikachak, Cuttack. Advocate BHABANI SHANKAR MISHRA passed his high school certificate examination from Satyavadi High School, Puri, in the year 1963. He completed his graduation from Revensa College, Cuttack, in the year 1969. He obtained his law degree from MS Law College, Cuttack, in the year 1972. He enrolled himself as an advocate in the Odisha State Bar Council in the year 1974. His state bar council enrollment number is 209 of 1974. He was the member of the High Court Bar Association in the year 1975. He was joined as an associate of Honorable Justice Lingaraj Rath. He was practicing in mainly civil, criminal, and writ matters in the Honorable High Court of Orissa. He breathed his last on 24th June 2022, Friday, at Bangalore in his daughter's residence due to suffering from cancer. His death has given irreparable loss to his entire family, friends, relatives, colleagues, well-wishers, and the locals at large. It is very difficult to fill up the void on the sad demise of late BHABANI Shankar Mishra, advocate. He is survived by his wife Kananbara Mishra and 4 married daughters. Advocate SASHIKANTA BEHERA was born on 5th June 1985. He was the son of Rajchandra BEHERA and Manorama BEHERA, presently residing at Sector 9 CDA Cuttack. He was successfully completed his matriculation from Ravenshaw Collegiate School, Cuttack in the year 2000. Thereafter, he prosecuted his college study and passed his +2 Commerce examination from Ravenshaw College, Cuttack in the year 2002. And he joined Madhusudan Law College in 2003 and successfully completed 5 years of integrated BA LLB honors in the year 2008. Thereafter, he enrolled his name in State Bar Council in the year 2008, and he embarked his legal profession and under the able guidance of one of the senior members of the bar, namely Sri Deva Prasad Das. He had towering practice in various aspects of law, starting from the trial courts to Honorable High Court. Mainly, he was well known for his skills, acumen in criminal cases, especially in vigilance matters. He was very hardworking, sincerity and dedication in the legal profession, for which within a short time he had earned a good reputation and name. He was one of the most popular and enterprising young advocate and loved by each and every members of the bar, and was also successful in winning the confidence of the bench due to his performance and devotion in the court. He conducted cases very smoothly. He was very much involved in socio-legal, legal and cultural activities, for which his absence creates a great vacuum. He was very much popular not only in the legal fraternity, but also in many social circles for his amiable and ever-smiling nature. He breathed his last on 25th June 2022 in SCB Medical College, Cuttack, after being admitted due to road accident, leaving behind his parents, elder brother Shrikanta BEHERA and wife Saudamini BEHERA. I, for self and on behalf of my colleagues, express my heartfelt condolence for the said demise of late BHABANI Shankar Mishra and late Sashikanta BEHERA, and pray God Almighty to rest their soul in peace in the heavenly abode. Let God give enough strength and courage to the bereaved family to withstand the loss.
My esteemed colleagues on the bench, Mr. Kali Prasanna Mishra, Learned President and Office Bearers of the Orissa High Court Bar Association, Mr. P.K. Padi, Learned Assistant Solicitor General, Government of India, Mr. Debakanta Mohanty, Learned Additional Government Advocate, Learned Senior Advocates, members of the legal fraternity, members of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. My colleagues and I share the sentiments expressed by Mr. Kali Prasanna Mishra and Mr. Debakanta Mohanty. It is with a deep sense of sadness that we assemble here to offer condolences on the sad demise of 2 learned members of the bar, Shri BHABANI Shankar Mishra, a senior member, who breathed his last on 24th June 2022, and Shri Sashikanta BEHERA, a young member of the bar who died in tragic circumstances yesterday, day before yesterday, 25th June 2022. The death of these 2 lawyers of this bar has no doubt created a great vacuum in the legal fraternity, and it is an irreparable loss to their families, friends, colleagues, and relatives. We have heard both Mr. Kali Prasanna Mishra and Mr. Debakanta Mohanty give the life sketches of these 2 lawyers, and my colleagues and I join in the sentiments expressed by them. With heavy heart, on behalf of my sister and brother judges, and on my own behalf, I express a heartfelt condolences to the families of Shri BHABANI Shankar Mishra and Shri Sashikanta BEHERA, and pray that their departed souls rest in peace. We also pray for strength and courage to the members of the bereaved families to bear the irreparable loss. As a mark of respect to the departed souls, let us observe 2 minutes silence by standing. The court work will remain suspended for the rest of the day.